Good morning, all of you. Today I'm in front of you to explain for the explanation some important topic related to B.Ed first year course. I know it is a little difficult to learn all the things within a very short period, but I will try my level best to solve your problem. If you want to ask any question, you can ask to directly. We will try to our level best to solve your problem. Let us start. Today, my subject is childhood and growing up, and my topic is growth and development. First of all, I will clear growth and development it is related to child psychology, child development, child growth, child psychology. First of all, we have to understand, we have to learn what is psychology. So, very few line in for medical according to medical science, according to medical definitions about child psychology. The child psychology is the study of psychological and children characteristic of infant and children and the application of general psychological principle of infancy and childhood. The second thing is it is also called child development or the study of psychological process the children and specifically how this process differ from these an adult, how they develop from birth to the end of adolescence, and how and why they differ from child to the next. Now I will explain about growth and development. As we know, in general, growth means the growth is different part of human body and the ability of those part to work. Physical growth is related to the behavior. We can explain with the little things like seeds. If you drop in the water any seed, if you drop in the water, you can see after 1 day 2 day, within a 7 day it will become a plant. It will become a little plant. So it is a very good example for growth is related to height, body, weight, etc. It will be measured. Means we can measure the growth, but we can't measure the development is related to the mind, and growth is the related to the body. According to Herbert is a very famous psychologist. He will say, he can say, physical growth is the big and heavy. Physical growth is the big and heavy. The first proof of growth and development is change in the size of man. The first proof of growth and development is change in the size of man or child, maybe. A second proof is a number to cells. Second proof is the number to cells joined to give birth a man. Third proof is change in the bones of man body. Fourth proof is change in the heart and rib cage. Fifth proof is relative change, that is size on the head remains smaller than the legs. Next is definition of development. Now we will the focus on development in the related to the body. Development is not limited to growing larger instant. It constant of a progressive series of change toward the goals of maturity. Development result new characteristic and new ability on the part of individual. According to Harlock. According to Frank, growth is regard to multiplication of cells as growth in height and weight. Will development refers to the change in organs as a whole. And growth and development both are related to behavior. However, continues a most common comprehensive index and developmental status and developmental potential. Development cannot be considered in turn in the individual as a whole in a relationship with the experience with others. Development has a wide scope and snow in the following. I'll explain. You have to, first of all, we have to understand what is the difference between growth and development. If it is clear, then you will understood very clearly what is growth and what is development. Just I will explain. Growth may be limited to the change in the quantitative aspects. Growth may be limited to the change in the quantitative aspect. Development implies the overall changes occurring in both the quantitative as well as qualitative aspects, whereas the process of development is continuous from birth to till death. Growth is process of very specific and fairly case, means we can see, we can feel growth, but development we have to understand because we can't measure the development. The principle of development of general to specific. The principle of development is general to specific. Development takes place first of general way, then proceeds toward specific manner. We have to focus down the differences. I will repeat again. Growth you can see if you put any seed, if you put in the water, after 1 day, 2 day, maybe it will take 7 days. After 7 days, you can see it will the seeds is become to a little plant. This is growth. If a child, when a newborn baby, when he or she may be birth, then we can see this that is a very small human body we got. After 1 month or after 2 months, you can see the changes. Changes means babies are capable to catch. Catch means they can catch anything like mother fingers, father fingers, these things. After 2 more months, they will identify the family members like father, mother, and other. After 6 months, they will completely capable to know everything like sound, light, faces, cold, hot, etc. etc. They will capable to explain their feeling. Mostly after 6 months, baby will crying, will laugh to see their family members like their mothers, their fathers, their etc. other family members. That is the difference between growth and development. Growth means height and weight, increasing the height, weight. But development is related to the brain. Babies are capable to understand all the things. The first baby become a 6 year old. They are in between 1 year to by birth to 6 years, in between they are very capable. They develop 90% brain of babies. in between the 6 years. They are explain their feelings. They can understood everything. They have to complete their works. They are capable to differences between love and affection, love and hate, scary. They all the things they can understand. That is thing, that is quality. This type of qualities, it is like development. Today, very little things I will explain you what is the differences between growth and development, and what is growth and what is development. Thank you very much. Next class we will see in next class. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you very much.